Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading, all together now for the week of July 24th, 2023, Part 2. Amy Wu and the Warm Welcome by Kat Zhang, illustrated by Charlene Chua. When Amy arrives at school, Ms. Mary has a wonderful surprise, a new student. "This is Lin," said Ms. Mary. "He moved here from China. Can everyone give him a big warm welcome?" "Welcome, Lin," says Amy's class. Lin grins and opens his mouth. Then he shuts it again. His cheeks glow red. For lunch, Lin eats dumplings and tangerines. "I'm having a dumpling party tonight," Amy says. "Did you make those?" Lin smiles but doesn't reply. During playtime, Amy invites Lin aboard her pirate ship. He puts on his hat but doesn't sing "Yo-ho!" During show and tell, Amy picks Lin to share his favorite sport. He holds up a soccer ball but doesn't say a word. "Wow, a new classmate," says Mom after school. "Did you make him feel welcome?" "I tried," says Amy, "but I don't know if I did." Just then, Lin's dad arrives with Lin's little sister. Lin's face lights up. He giggles and chatters in Chinese. His sister giggles and chatters in Chinese. This is a whole new Lin. Amy ponders the two Lins as she and her mom arrive at the store. She ponders while they buy dumpling skins. She ponders while they choose dumpling fillings. Amy's mom looks in their cart. "That's enough for our guests, don't you think?" Amy's pondering becomes a brilliant plan. "Will it be enough for a few more?" she asks. At home, Amy's grandma helps her roll out a long sheet of paper. Amy chooses her favorite markers. Grandma writes out the message while Amy says it aloud. She already knows the characters. Huan starts out soft like the hoot of an owl. Ying flies from her tongue like the ring of a bell. And Ni sounds a lot like Ni. Altogether, it means welcome, and welcome is exactly what Amy wants to say. Amy waits with her banner as the guests arrive. First come her parents' friends from work, then come Amy's friends from school. And finally, there is Lin. Amy's hands tighten on her banner. She grins and opens her mouth. Then she shuts it again. Her cheeks glow red. Everyone is watching, but the words stick in Amy's throat. She thinks the characters in her mind. Huan starts out soft like the hoot of an owl. Ying flies from her tongue like the ring of a bell. And Ni sounds a lot like Ni. But she can't say them, no matter how hard she tries. A finger taps on her shoulder. Lin points to the table where the grown-ups are making dumplings. He doesn't say anything, but Amy understands. Lin makes a dumpling shaped like a little boat. Amy makes a dumpling shaped like a little purse. Boat, boat, boat. Purse, purse, purse. Together their dumplings tumble into the pot. The boats float beside the purses. The purses float beside the boats. Everyone eats dumplings until they can't eat another bite. It's time for Lin to go home. Amy sees her banner. She takes a deep breath. Huan starts out soft like the hoot of an owl. Ying flies from her tongue like the ring of a bell. And Ni sounds a lot like Ni. Amy's family laughs. "Silly goose," they say. "Welcome is for the beginning of a party, not the end." But Amy knows better. It's never too late for a welcome. Pause here for instructions on how to make a welcome banner. Ideas to include on a banner welcoming a new friend to your hometown. 1. The best place to go swimming. 2. Where to have a fun picnic. 3. Your favorite way to spend a weekend. 4. Your favorite restaurant. Feel free to add your own ideas. What are things that you'd like to know about a new school or neighborhood? The end. We're going to paint a flower pot. You can use it for anything you want. It can be a flower, it can be an herb, it can be a regular plant for your seedlings. All we're going to do is paint it. You'll need paint. I have acrylic paint, and I'm going to use the yellow and blue, I think. And you'll need a paintbrush, which I have here. You'll need some water to dip the paintbrush in to clear it off. You'll need some paper towels to dry off your paintbrush in between colors. And I have here, I bought this, it's a dot painter, and it's a sponge on the end of a stick so that I can paint dots on it. So I think I'm going to paint the whole thing yellow and then add some blue dots to it. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to paint, and it looks like I have some blue in with the yellow, so that's just going to be a little streaked. It's okay though. Have a little bit of green in there because yellow and blue together make green. But yeah, all I'm going to do is paint the pot and then put the dots on. So let me paint the pot and I'll come back and show you how I put the dots on. Okay, so I painted my whole thing. All I'm going to do for the dots is dip this in, and I just want to put a spot on it. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to do that the whole way around. And when I'm done, I'll have a polka dotted flower pot. But you can paint your pot any way you'd like. You don't have to do polka dots. You can do flowers, you can do solids. Do it however you like. Let's just finish this up. And I have a polka dot flower pot. And that's the end.